Hey everyone! Today we're tackling the top 5 mistakes people make with their 401k and how you can avoid them. Ready? Let's dive in. Nafar Dathur Adesekoara. Mistake 1. Not contributing enough. First up, not contributing enough. Aim to at least match your employer's contribution. Otherwise, you're leaving free money on the table. Nafi Yakurikur. Mistake 2. Ignoring fees. Next, watch out for fees. High fees can eat into your returns over time, so choose low-cost investment options. Gyakoric costs. Mistake 3. Not rebalancing. Not rebalancing your portfolio can throw off your risk level. Check in annually to make sure your investments align with your goals. Fakir fast. Mistake 4. Cashing out early. Cashing out early leads to penalties and lost growth. Try to keep your money invested to maximize your retirement savings. Nakarasi, mistake 5. Not having a plan. Finally, not having a plan. Set clear goals for your 401k so you know how much to save and how to invest. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be on the right track to a secure retirement. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.